and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today is my monthly review and this is for the month of October. Unfortunately, I did not do a month in review for September. We were just too busy in October for me to do one, and then we had a lot of things happening between our move and with Salem being so sick that I just did not get around to it. I didn't finish anything in September anyway. I did start on this one middle of August, didn't work on it very much, and then I did work on it some in September, finished up around October the 15th. This one is the Four Crows of the Apocalypse. It is by Cheryl Baker, and it's a 24 by 30 inch. Craftibly always measured by inches instead of centimeters, which I found very interesting. But it was 60 colors. I did not add any additional ABs. It came with 5 special drills, and so those are the ones that I used. My favorites were the crystals that is on his jacket, and then also on his legs, and then also extends over to the trees. And I just love how this turned out. I am going to purchase a metal frame for this, and I'm just going to hang it next year around the fall for one of my fall decorations. Until then, I'm just going to store it in one of my containers that I need to work on for storage. So that was one that I completed in October. I also completed my Disney sticker book, and I'm counting those as 3 because the fact that it took me a very long time to do those. You wouldn't think stickers would take very long, but there's 101 stickers and it did take a while. So that's going to be 3 finishes, and I completed those some in September, finished up by October the 3rd, so I'm counting those. And also, I wanted to give you guys an update on my converted cross stitch. This is my converted cross stitch where I converted a cross stitch pattern into a diamond painting, and the pattern was from Heaven and Earth Designs. I did purchase my blank canvas as well as all of my drills from Evermoment. Purchased those last year. I worked on this off and on since last April. I've gotten to 60% on this, and I had a video that I asked you guys if I should let this stay and continue working on it, or if I should just let it go and call it a wash. And the majority of you stated that I should just give this up and to use the drills for something else, that I could possibly even use some of the canvas for something else. And so I do agree with you. I appreciate all of your comments and all of your tips on this. And I am really glad to say, I shouldn't say glad, but I am letting everybody know that I am letting this go. It was a really hard decision, to be honest, because some of this I really like. It's fun to do, but I have other cross stitch conversions that I have in mind that I can do. I have plenty of drills that I have left over from this project because it is a large project. I can use those drills, or I can use them for more than one cross stitch conversion. I am going to do another cross stitch conversion next year. I'm doing a small cross stitch conversion in December as part of my Advent process, and I will share that with you guys. It is smaller, but it's going to be a mystery, and I am looking forward to doing that one. But I am going to just go ahead and give this one up. I even thought about keeping it for a little while and seeing how I feel maybe the middle of next year. And I may do that. I may just roll it up and put it in with my other canvases and just wait and see. But more than likely, I am going to just give this one up. If you did not see that video, I will go ahead and put that up at the top of the eye, also underneath the description, so you can take a look at that as well. And I am calling this one a completion because I went over the 50% mark, and I did spend so many hours on this that now I have a total of 20 completions for the year, and that gives me 74 year to date. So I am getting up there to 100. and that will be hopefully sometime next year. This is my long project, literally and figuratively. This is a 50 by 235 centimeters. It's 100 colors. It has shimmer drills in it, and it is from Enabler's Outpost. It's called Dragon Seasons by Emma Casey. I am having so much fun with this one. It is going by really quickly whenever I do work on it. I am already at fall, so I have 2 sections completed. What you're seeing now is spring and summer. And so far, summer's my favorite, but I'm about halfway finished with fall. I'm counting each one of these sections as a completion because 235 centimeters is approximately 7.5 feet. I keep saying 8, I'm rounding up, but it's around 235 centimeters, which is around 7.5 feet or so. So I'm going to pull this up just a little bit to show you where my progress is. I am at the end on the sunflower there, so I don't have a lot left to go. I'm hoping to finish fall by the end of November. I will be taking this canvas into November and probably into December. It is from Art and Soul. It is called Haunted Manor by Becca Tyndall. It is a 55 by 75 centimeters, so it's not huge. I might be able to complete it. It is square, but it does have some color blocking in it. There's also some confetti. It is my first hand-rendered diamond painting, so I'm looking forward to working on it, even though it is Halloween vibes because it's a haunted house and it has little graves in front of it, spider webs, pumpkins. I still am looking forward to doing this. I am not so much a seasonal diamond painter. I paint when I want to paint, what I want to, what time, so it is not going to bother me. I started on this on October the 30th. I've done just a small square over at the top here. And of course, I still have a long way to go, but I love how sparkly that this is. They're squares, but up against each other perfectly. It's not too tight. They're very easy to do. I don't even have to try, and my rows are completely straight. It does have 58 colors, and there are 4 special drills. 6, actually, sorry. There are 6 special drills in this. I may add some more, I may not, I'm not sure. I still have got to unbox my drills, all of my special drills. So I don't really know exactly what I have, but I may just let it go like this because I do want to see how it's going to turn out. I am really looking forward to continue working on this one. You will definitely see this again. And that's all that I have for you today, guys. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of future uploads, just click on that upload bell and you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Take care, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.